So well, in GSMA, we are not great at creating names for our standards. But we've previously called our M2M and consumer standards SGP02 and SGP22. So in order to give it this continuity when it comes to a technical specification, we decided to improve in one number, so we call it SGP32. And what it really is the new standard, is the new technical specification for eSIM IoT. And I guess someone can ask, what is exactly eSIM? Why do you call it eSIM IoT when the previous M2M was already a solution that would address the IoT, the Internet of Things worlds? Well, it is and it isn't, because the M2M was something we created for the automaker industry specifically, while the IoT is being designed to address a range of devices that are constrained in, for example, screen or limited in the kind of network that can be used. And that's where we put together the eSIM IoT, so it could resolve that kind of use cases. So it is, overall and in summary, the technical specification for eSIM IoT, which address narrowband IoT devices. What is really bringing is this new range of devices that were not really covered in previous standards. And for example, narrowband IoT devices or IoT devices. And it brings simplicity. While the previous M2M specification that was pretty much in the range of what we could also call IoT devices was complex and very specific for the automakers world, this one addressed devices that were not previously addressing the M2M solution. So for instance, I could think of a smart shirt and running a presentation later, and I put it as an example. And I know it's not as usual, it's not a usual use case, but you can be wearing tomorrow a t-shirt if you are a professional rugby player, as we were talking about before, and it can be measuring different things. That kind of low-end devices in a way require low power, obviously, and a kind of connection that is not really like the 5G, for example, connection. So I think those are the benefits, bringing on the picture a new range of devices that cannot really be covered with the M2M or consumer specification, while also simplifying the solution and being fully based on the solution that we know that it is widely addressed by the market, which is the consumer solution. So I think that's the main advantage: simplicity, new range of devices into the picture, and definitely what the market has been asking for a few years now. I would hope you would ask for a favorite movie or something. So, movies or series? That's what I was looking for. So, movies. I've recently into Harry Potter again. I have this little kid, so I've been trying to talk about magic to him, and I thought we could talk about Harry Potter. So yeah, I could say that one.